I'm Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm at Hanley Farm car meet. We've bought the 97 Renault Megane saloon that was saved from scrap and we'll take a look at him later. Cars are still arriving. It was raining a little bit this morning, but we should be all right. There's a great turnout. There's probably nearly 200 cars. There you go. Old Rover coming in. That's very nice. These cars coming in.
What about this old one?
Skoda. There you go. Nice police interceptor there. There might be a few more of them coming today. But what we're going to do is go up over and take a look at the cars here. So let's make a start. We're going to start on the first row, work our way around. I think there's about 4 or 5 rows now, so it's all good. Let's start with Knight Rider. I mean, look at this. Lovely recreation. Unfortunately, David Hasselhoff is not here today. Oh wow, even inside the interior, look at that. I have to watch Knight Rider again, and if you take a look at the rear plate there, that's cool. Right, let's head down here, because a car I did not spend much time with, the Audi TT. Now I'm pretty sure that's the 1.8. Lovely maroon. This one's been here the last 3 or 4 times, and everyone says to me after taking pictures, "Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice Audi." And there you go. Got their hashtag in the window there, and the little model of the car. But yeah, I do like these TTs. Next to it, we have this Rover 25. Now, you know we like our Rovers. Bit of body damage, but still a very nice little Rover. I do miss the little blue one we had, and I was using for a while with the lovely sandstone interior. Nice. Got a Land Rover. Rolls Royce. I mean, these engines on these, take a look at this. I know Enzo's nearby, he's got his here today as well, I think. But look at that. You can get more luxury than a Rolls Royce. Volkswagen, MGB, always loads of these at the shows. Another MG TF. I think there's 1 or 2 of these here today. Got a Triumph Spitfire. We got a Zodiac, that's very nice. It's one of them quite local to us, and it's a nice colour on that. Nice maroon. Another Vauxhall. Little Rover Metro. Yeah, doing some bits to it, but hey-oh. Another Spitfire. Everything's welcome. So we got the little Nissan Micra, which we do like our Micras. Maybe Hannah should go for one of them instead of a KA. Porsche Taycan. Oh, that's nice actually. That's the Estate, I would say. They done 2 kinds of them. Triumph Herald. I love my Triumph Heralds. Let's take a look at this one. Soft top. A nice baby blue. Yeah, might have to try one of these. I keep saying about it, but they're one of the easiest cars to work on. Another TT in this amazing bright acid green. It looks like an acid green or fluorescent yellow. But next to it, Alfa Brera. Now, we're doing an Italian road trip, next year, and we're still debating on what car to take. And the Brera is on the short list. We have talked about it, and we think, maybe. But if Hannah comes around the back here, it's still one of the best looking back ends on a car, in my opinion. I mean, look at that. The shape of it is just... Alpha really nailed it with the design with this car. So we got this McLaren 570S, I believe. There's so many different McLarens now. I don't know what numbers are what, but either way, very nice. And the carbon fiber, that's what makes supercars for me. We got an Ilman Imp, which Roger Otario was his first car, and a nice Subaru next to that. Then look at this lovely green TR7. My dad always says one of his first cars, TR7, but yeah, I would like to try one day. I think I would still go with the Fiat X19, just because I love my Italian cars, but the colour is absolutely gorgeous on this one. I have seen it once or twice about. We got a couple of MGs here today. Lovely Jag. We have this lovely Corvette C3. I nearly had one of these when I sold my 911 Targa. I love the back end on them again. Lovely back end design. Got MR2, Mark II MR2. MX5, BMW, another MG. There's quite a few MGs here today. Lovely Ford Mustang GT. People didn't like these when these come out, but I had a friend who had one in chrome, and it was used in a series. And I remember he absolutely hated the chrome wheels on it. Nice little Rovers. Quite a few of these here. Ex-police car. Pretty cool. There's two of them actually. Little book in a dash. We got a few bits of paper on our car today as well, just to give some interest. Another MGTF. And then as we come around, we got my 97 Renault Megane, and I did get some write-up of it printed out last night, just to give some interest to the car when people are taking a look at the car. And it's been very popular on my YouTube, so thank you very much. We got Lee and Isabel's MR2 and the Nissan Juke Betty Boop. And we done a convoy over with all these. Nice little Golf Polo. This one as well with, look at the air freshener. Kids won't know what they are, but that's the old style air fresheners. Really cool to find one. We also had that one there, the Polo CL Coupe. This one was with us this morning, and there's also a Spitfire and a Defender that came with us. Nice little Triumph. Like my little Ford Pumas. It's quite a nice one. Jack was trying to sell us one of them not so long ago. Oh, this is Martin's Aston Martin. That's going to be at my show on the 9th of August. Lovely little Ford. It's not Sean, so I don't know who that is. Oh, look at this. This is a 996 Turbo. Turbo S. Oh, I do miss my 911. Yeah, I like that. That's very nice. Lovely grey as well. V8 MG. Look at that. So that's the Mustang engine in that. Not that common. Okay, it's BMW. I'm not sure about the rims, but look at that. Very nice. If you spin the camera that way, you can see Owen's Panda 1000 OG cars. Another MX-5. A little Peugeot 205. Now, we're sick of seeing these because we was at the auction and there was about 20. Lovely old Volvo. Nice big Chevrolet truck. I don't know if the American cruise guys are coming over today because there's something else on up in Gloucester. This lovely Sunbeam Alpine. I love the colour of that. And the wheels to match as well. A 355 Berlinetta. But let's just make sure that it is a Ferrari Berlinetta and not an MR2. You see so many different MR2 mods now, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, very nice. I know Hannah don't like it, but tan interior. Oh, love a tan interior on any car. We got this nice little Peugeot 106, another Ford Puma. Keep thinking about it, maybe one day. Lovely MG Roadster. I need to find out what happened to mine. I phoned his number the other day. XJS. There's a few of these at the auction as well. But that's nice. We got Tony's Balva, which again, another car at my show on the 9th of August. And that's a lovely piece of kit. I've known Tony for a while now and he loves that car. Old Calibra. Look at the yellow is lovely. Very nice car, modern classic again, becoming very rare. This is the Defender that come with us this morning and the Spitfire. They were at the back of the group. Lovely old Ford. I do love the Ford Anglia. It's a car I always wanted as a kid. Another Corvette. Lovely little Austin A35. Definitely on the list again, along with the Alfa Romeo. I nearly bought a blue one of these a couple months back. Nice little cars. They seem very compact, but they are very nice cars. And usually they suffer with lack appeal, like most Alphas did from this era. But this one's very good. He's either been resprayed or looked after very well. There was one in Harry Buckland's not that long ago, and I managed to get the grill piece there with a badge, which was quite nice. Look at this, old Bentley. Nice. Nissan 370Z, a Black Sabbath tribute car. It was Aussie's last show last night, and that's fit in quite well. Got two of the latest Corvettes. First time they done a mid-engine Corvette, and they actually sold really well. When they launched them, they done really well, and all the YouTubers had them. We got a GT6 with the bonnet up, and yeah, look at that, that's nice. Maybe next year. But we have a Renault Megane. Yes, it's facelift. It's not pre-facelift, which I prefer. But my mum had two of these. She had one in Moonstone Silver, same as my 2002 hatchback. And she also had a black one. And yeah, I can remember sitting in the back of them. Very tight. But again, these are becoming extremely rare now. The roofs always pack up on them, which most electric roofs do on any car. Same interior as my mum's as well. I think she had black leather in the black one. But yeah, that's nice. A Porsche 944 is just coming in. But yeah, I yet to own one of these, and because you know I like my Renaults, maybe we have this lovely Ford Escort again. Oh, for sale. Nice purple, I'll give it that. Oh, is that the same Alpha? Yeah, he's leaving. The Alpha Spider's leaving now. There's no set time. You can come and go as you please. Some places don't like it, some do. But, you know, there's other shows on, and they usually come to this when they go on to another. Zephyr. Capri. 2 Capris. With a giant Ford F100 or F150 between. Mustang coming in. This Capri's quite nice. A lovely little Peugeot 106. Is it? It's not a rally, is it? No. But they always, oh, the interior's nice, the blue interior. Look at that. But yeah, that's quite nice. So it's 106 XN. So we have this lovely Fiat Barchetta here. Oh, you know what? This could go on the Italian road trip list because, as mentioned when we looked at the Brera, we're looking at doing an Italian road trip and we want an Italian car. And I am looking at Fiats as well. Barchetta, yeah, somewhat sporty, you know. It's a nice car. They hold their own. Not too many about no more, neither. Another Austin. That's quite nice. But we have OG cars, Fiat Panda 1000. And, oh, look at the interior. Owen's got that many Pandas on the channel. I don't know which is which now, but nice with the blue stripe as well. Yeah, that's a nice car. Yet to try a Panda. It is on the list. So, this is my Megane. Obviously, you've all seen it on the channel, but I can't leave it out. As mentioned, I got some write-up about the car. We done our Euro trip, and back in March, I think it was, we went to a shop and we found these little wing mirrors covers, which I thought was pretty cool. So I bought a couple of them, and I got the set for both cars now. I also got the little flags to go on the car as well. But yeah, the car's here, it's first show, and I'm very happy because it wouldn't start again the other night. It turned out there was a wire loose on the fuel pump. But I got to grab some leaflets and flyers because I got to invite people to my show on the 9th of August. There you go. With Hannah helping me design them. If you know what that background is, please comment below. Wow, it stopped raining, and as you can see, a lot of the cars have disappeared now. They're all going home, probably getting back to the Formula One like I will be. I think it's Silverstone, isn't it? Yeah. But yeah, some great cars here. Met quite a few people. Had quite a bit of interest with the Megane, and yeah, he's going well at the moment. So maybe we'll have a video on him next week. I got a few things planned for him. But yeah, what a great turnout. Sun's out now, it's crazy. It was absolutely tipping down, and it's coming over from there, Tintern, St. Breville's, sadly, and it's going to do it again. We're going to have a downpour in the next probably 10, 20 minutes. But yeah, what a great show. If you haven't been to this one, this is on the A48 Hanley Farm, just probably, I don't know, 5 minutes outside of Chepstow. Really great show, always a great turnout. August Bank Holiday, they have a really big show here. They usually have the Porsche Tub at the back there with a mini club, which we were last year with my 911 Carrera. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you again very soon with more on the Megane and our cars, and hopefully more shows. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and bye for next time.